Hello, everyone. Have a nice day. Welcome to my DY Top 1 channel. Today, I'm going to share with you a very simple trick. Amazing effect. Do you use a blunt knife? I have a very dull knife here. Paper cutting is not very neat. Now, let's start with the video. Take time to see each step. If you're having trouble with anything, let me know in the comments, and I'll help you. What country are you from? Leave me a comment. It's great that I can talk to people from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can click the sign up button. It's great to see your support. Let's use glue to fix the nail on the drilled part. Next, use the hinge. Use drill bits and nails. Fix this hinge back on the rectangle. After fixing the hinge, it's going to be a knife that we can sharpen. Next, let's add glue and use these little magnets. Put the little magnets in the glue that's been poured. Put the knife on like that. Next, let's prepare sandpaper P400 and P800. Use a block of wood. We put glue on the wood. And stick sandpaper on it. Cut off the excess. And write part 8 to right. That's P800 sandpaper. Continue with P400 sandpaper. We'll paste the same thing and mark it as 4. This is our grinding tool. Now, let's put the knife on and sharpen it. Add some water. Start grinding from the base of the knife. Move to the tip of the knife. Keep it light and don't use too much force. Let's do this over and over again. Both sides. Adding more water will increase the grinding efficiency. Continue that for a minute. You will feel the difference. How do you see this trick? Anyone who has tried it, please share it in the comments. After grinding, the blade is clean. I use a little toothpaste and baking soda. A little more. Mix that mixture. And hit the blade. This step helps clean the knife and is safe. Thank you for watching all the videos. If you find it helpful, click like and subscribe to a channel to support me. Let more people know about this trick. I wish you success.